Stress management is a common word in today's world. We are told to cope up with stress. Watch this video till the end and find the steps which will help you to know techniques to evade stress in your life. I feel we must think about this entity, stress, from a different perspective. As per laws of physics, stress is the force that is applied per unit area and its unit is Newton per meter square. This means that stress is a force applied by someone or something on some object. We need to understand that who is applying the force and on whom. In the context in which we are discussing, stress is a feeling or emotion which creates a mental pressure on ourselves. This acts as a force which triggers many hormonal changes or outbursts in our body. The word feeling or emotion is self-explanatory in nature, which clearly says that these are not physical, these are virtual in nature. Basically, these are thoughts generated by ourselves to act on ourselves only. Something funny, isn't it? Therefore, stress in itself is a virtual entity and has no physical existence. Unfortunately, although being virtual, it has the ability to bring in real physical outcomes in the body. It affects muscle tissues, it affects blood vessels and organs, it speeds up heart rate and respiration, raises blood pressure and body temperature, it interferes with metabolism, appetite, digestion, fertility, sleep, and it has the ability to affect the immune system also and impair our memory. It can also lead to obesity, arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer. Understand that all these diseases can originate from our own thoughts. Isn't it something like poking a knife in your own body? Sounds ridiculous. We need to understand at first that the owner of the thoughts produced by our brain is no other individual but us only. Stress is developed when we allow our brain to produce negative thoughts on the outcome of any subject. As owner of producer of thought, we have to take responsibility of the quality of material produced. Simple common sense. Therefore, watching the nature and quality of our own thoughts and not allowing unwanted thoughts to generate, even if we face severe challenges in life, is the first responsibility of all of us in managing the stress. Every time we find our brain to produce thoughts which we don't want, we need to stop the production of that thought deliberately and instead give command to produce good, positive thoughts which will not allow the stress to form even. Stress is not produced by a situation. Rather, it is produced by thinking negative outcome of that situation. There are various stress buster techniques available all over the internet. But unless we manage our own thoughts in response to a situation or event, we cannot manage stress. One thing I must say here, that watching and controlling our thoughts are not easy when you practice them in the initial stage. But if you practice them for some time, slowly you will have control over your own thoughts. Till the time you have total control and become an expert in managing stress, the following few techniques may help you to evade stress. First is the meditation. Meditation is nothing but to focus on some mantra or sound or music or light source. Try your focus to remain stable and not get distracted. The second one is guided imagery. Using your power of imagination, imagine about a positive outcome of the event which causes stress. Third one is activities. Fill up your day with activities that are mandatory to be done and also those which you love doing. Joining a dance class, yoga class, singing class or even laughter clubs will help you feel physically and mentally relaxed. Playing with a pet also help you relax and remove stress. The fourth one is humor. Try to help someone laugh or at least smile because of your sense of humor. Sometimes try laughing on yourself also. At least try to help one person laugh per day because of you. The fifth technique is sleep. Good sound sleep helps the nervous system to function well and relieve stress. Deep sleep period is generally between 11 pm and 2 am, and we must adjust our routine activities so that we can sleep during this time frame in most of the days. The sixth and the last one is touch. An arm around the person who is at stress always helps the individual to feel comfortable and relaxed. No words are required at these moments. Only your touch reaffirming that he is not alone. You are there with him or her as a parent, as a friend, as a spouse, speaks volumes and does miracles. It is also important to remember that a person in stress certainly goes through some physical discomforts along with his mental instability. So, we should give him space and act as vent plugs of a battery so that the fumes formed inside him can get released and doesn't burst the battery instead. A happy lifestyle, a clean environment, hygienic habits, and stress coping mechanisms promotes a long-term health and wellness for every individual. Come, let's spread this awareness to every single individual in this earth to help all of us live a healthy, wealthy, and peaceful life. Creating a stress-free society would also help us to create a healthy and progressive nation in long term. So friends, hope you enjoyed the video. I shall be coming up with videos on other interesting topics which will surely add value to your life. Please do share your feedback in the comments box and do subscribe the channel for more and exciting videos. Till then, bye-bye.